welcome back to this video. We are making pet paw cuffs. And now, okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so how we make pet paw cuffs is snippity snip snap snap. We're actually gonna make him a collar. Okay. So measure that. And now if you're making this, you want to do like stretchy fabric, just in case you don't get it like actually foam. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna fold it in half. Take my needle and thread and sew that in. Ow, cat. Just going in and out of the fabric, making very, very, very fine and strong stitches. Wow! I'm about to electrocute you. I'm just gonna talk to you. Hello, my name is Pip, and I am Zero. And yeah, chicken back. So, chicken back. I want to tell you that my brother Quacky is like funny bunny, like funny bunny, and my brother Bunny is 4, the same age as Quacky, and he's so funny bunny. And my brother Brownie is 3, and he is so funny bunny. Hey. Okay, Pep, time to put on your collar. Oh wait, the collar's ready? Ah, man. Anyway, yeah. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Let's put it on Puppy. It looks more like a neck warmer. Oh, that just gave me an idea for our next video. But yeah. Or blindfold. Make sure to be good kids, and bye. So be good kids, and bye.